ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 7th of July. Looks like we'll see a little more active thunderstorm pattern here for the next few days. Let's talk about it. Let's look at some Skycam shots, and look at that. Got some raindrops on the lens up at our Gadsden Skycam. That's up in northeast Alabama in Etowah County. A few showers developing around the city of Gadsden, and I think we'll have more to come. Down the road a bit, down at Mount Cheahaw, got pretty nice build-ups looking off to the southwest from the top of the restaurant there at Cheahaw State Park. Always a beautiful view. And from the Gulf of Mexico, that's nice. Got a line of towering cumulus clouds off on the western horizon. That's the view from the top of the Phoenix. All sweets, and the beachgoers enjoying sunshine for the moment down there. Water vapor satellite imagery. The westerlies are up north. A little trough coming through the Great Lakes. That's pushing a cold front down to the south. That cold front from Indianapolis down to about Tulsa. And that thing will be stalling out just north of here. And with that on the way, we think that will mean an increase in showers and storms the next couple of days. There's the radar at 1 o'clock, and you can see we've got a few showers developing over the northern part of the state. A little more active northwest of here, and I think the radar will be lighting up a pretty good bit the next couple of afternoons. In terms of organized severe weather, we do note that the guys at the Storm Prediction Center have now included the northeastern corner of Alabama in a slight risk. Basically, that runs from Nashville and Scottsboro over to the coast of North Carolina and Virginia around the Tidewater. Also a slight risk up in New England, and tomorrow a slight risk up north from Chicago and Des Moines up to the Canadian border. Hey, numbers are coming up. QPF map, that's the expected rain valid through Monday morning of next week, and that's beginning to suggest over 2 inches of rain for much of Alabama. And hey, we'll take that. Of course, you know the routine. It will be variable every day because of the scattered nature of the storms, but the storms will be tropical downpours, slow movers. So I do think we'll see some pretty decent rainfall amounts in spots. Quick peek at Bertha out there in the Atlantic. Looks like the symmetry is a little better at mid-morning. Still a Category 1 hurricane. No major strengthening expected, and there's the official track, and that looks good to us. The thing recurving east of Bermuda. The guys hold it to minimal hurricane status through Sunday morning, and then it weakens to a tropical storm Monday morning of next week on the journey northeast. And, of course, that's no threat to the U.S. mainland. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow at 500 millibars. And, of course, we've got kind of a light variable flow aloft here. What's underneath all of that? Well, a surface front near the Kentucky-Tennessee border and a very juicy air mass in place here. So certainly we'll mention scattered showers and storms tomorrow, maybe numerous at times. Friday, the boundary goes nowhere. We stay moist, so same deal. Peaks of sunshine, scattered showers and storms. And Saturday, starting off the weekend, back to the upper levels, the heat bubble off to the west. And accordingly, areas west of Alabama, hot and dry from Mississippi westward, but around here in points east, will hang on to the chance of scattered showers and storms. And we note that new cold front coming down from the north. Then Sunday, the new front bears down on Kentucky and Tennessee and Arkansas. And again, we'll have a moist air mass in place, scattered showers and storms. Monday, the front pushes into the Tennessee Valley around Huntsville, and that would suggest from Huntsville north, the weather dry. From Huntsville south, scattered showers and storms. And then Tuesday, the model tries to ease the drier air in here. I don't know about that. We're not going to buy that yet. We'll roll with persistence until we see really firm evidence, because cold fronts in mid-July just don't come through here that often. And Wednesday, the front dissipates, and kind of a typical-looking summer day there. We'll dig deeper into July. This is July the 20th. All right, where's the heat? Yep, the western states, the 594 circle, the Four Corners. And sure, it's going to be hot here, but not as hot as it will be out west, and the moist air means a chance of scattered storms. 5 days later, the 25th, the end of the cycle. 594 circle expands a bit, but it's still mainly west of here. But still, the heights are pretty high, so that looks kind of hot and steamy, and maybe a storm in spots. You've heard that forecast before. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Weather.